from County Tyrone. There was Jimmy McGurk, who was scared stiff of work, and a man from Westmeath called Malone. There was Slugger O'Toole, who was drunk as a rule, and Fighting Bill Tracy from Dover. And your man Mick McCann from the banks of the Ban was the skipper of the Irish Rover. Of the best Sligo rags, we had 2 million barrels of stone. We had 3 million science of our blind horses' hides. We had 4 million barrels of bones. We had 5 million hogs, 6 million dogs, 7 million barrels of porter. We had 8 million bales of our nanny goats' tails in the whole of the Irish Rover. We had sailed 7 years when the measles broke out and the ship lost its way in the fog. Then that whale of a crew was reduced down to 2, just myself and the captain's old dog. Then the ship struck a rock, oh Lord, what a shock. The boat was turned right over. It turned 9 times around, and that poor old dog was drowned. I'm the last